Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Edge Fitness membership. Okay, so how you can cancel your membership with Edge Fitness. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you I will provide you this official link in our description box. You can visit on this page and you can find out their terms and conditions first of all. Okay, if your membership is still under a terms and agreements of 12 months or for 24 months, then you can cancel your agreement for movement, for move or medical or military reasons, but you need to provide authorized proof. Okay, so if we talk about like how you can cancel it, so basically cancellation is very easy. You just need to compose an email. The email format, you can see this kind of email you need to provide, and in the email you just need to replace subscription and you just need to write membership. Okay, you need to provide each and every details. In the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Okay, and once your all email is done, you just need to simply send this email at their email address. As you know, like Edge Fitness membership is a partner of ABC Fitness, they are a payment partner, and you just need to send this email at their email address like customercare@abcfitness.com. okay, and membership cancellation require 30 days notice period, and if you are not going to provide you 30 days notice period, then they are not going to cancel for prior basis. Okay, you just need to provide a 30 days notice period. Okay, and you need to provide a valid reason why you want to cancel, and your name and each and everything you have to provide. You just need to read all the information, and on the page I will provide you link, and then you can cancel your membership of Edge Fitness. Okay, now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.